Yahoo! We got some Pokemon pulls for you today, and next up, we have some more battle styles. This time, it's the Urshifu V Rapid Strike box. Let's take a look at what's all in there, and then we'll get pulling. Alright. Here we have the Rapid Strike Urshifu V box here. According to the back, what do we got? We have one foil promo card, one energy card, and one oversized card, and 4 boosters. I believe 2 of those are going to be battle styles. So let's get this guy popped open here. Let's try using the herring blade here. I don't know how well this will work for cutting. Wow, works great. Don't know how well it would do because the herring blade seems to be worse for cutting dinky things, like super thin, like the card packs there. Alright, let's pull out the 2 promo cards here. We got the big Rapid Strike Urshifu V card here. Full size there. If I recall, the V cards are smaller than the GX cards, the V Max cards. If you guys are interested in this online code, hit me up on Twitter over at the Prophecies. Let me know, like if it's this video. Just let me know, hey, I want the one from the Rapid Strike Urshifu V, or if you want one of these boosters, yeah, if it's available, I'll let you have it. In each of these, you get 2 battle styles, 1, 2, these are the same 2 I had before, 1 Darkness Ablaze, and 1 Crimson Invasion. Get you down to the smaller Gorilla Pod, so we can crack open some of these packs and do some Pokemon polls. Alright, first up we got Tyranitar Battle Styles Booster. Maybe we can actually get a Tyranitar. Be nice. Pretty clean pull. Let's take a little sniffy sniff there. Say average for. Oh, we got a white back. Size good. Not always, but in this case, in Shining Fates, they're all white backs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe 4 battle styles. We have a Psychic Energy. Not a fan of the Sword and Shield energies, which includes battle styles there. Cacturn. A nice, probably colored pencil, looks like to me. Level Ball, which is kind of funny because that was the new Pokemon Pokeball tin. Single Strike Energy. Onyx. Pretty cool. So that is a crap ton of energies. Sizzlypede, Blam Meow, Slowpoke, he's resting in the sun there, keeping his noggin warm. Yamper, Sandaconda, Reverse Hollow, followed by a Victini V. Not bad, not bad. And our second Battle Styles booster of this box here. And I already tore it. When you tear it like that, you just keep going. We have a greenback, sorry, not a black one. Greenback there, not the money kind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel Energy. Then we have a Spew Pa. Interesting. Gliscor. Interesting artwork. Bruno. Oh, that's an awesome card there, Lickitung. I think that's a vector art style. Yeah. Good job with the shadows. Great, just great artwork there. Zubat. Bromerade. Onyx. Mawile. And a reverse hollow Rapid Strike Energy. Followed by a hollow, or rare, non-hollow Claydol. I've been pretty much, I mean, I have one V so far, but I've been not doing nothing, I haven't pulled anything amazing yet from Battle Styles, but that's only pack number 4. So, you know, what you gonna do? Next up, Darkness Ablaze. Plenty of these. Prior to me getting that booster box, actually, for Crimson Invasion, definitely had more Darkness Ablaze than Crimson Invasion. Greenback here. Online card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy. Vanillish. Shiinotic. Ursa Ring. Feebas. Pissimian. Fletchling. Wimpod. Grimer. Reverse Hollow Shiinotic. Pretty sure I already have one of those that I'm rocking. And a Mimikyu. Take that. And our last pack from this is the Rapid Strike. Yeah, Rapid Strike Urshifu V box. Crimson Invasion. These they just tear. Don't like doing it that way, but that's how these are. You just rip them open. Greenback. Don't expect too much out of this pack then. We've opened plenty of these to know that. Some of them, when you get a greenback, you actually have like a really good chance of getting a really good, or not a really good chance, like you have a chance of getting a really good card that you actually have a worse chance of if you have a double, from my experience. The Crimson Invasion is not that. Psychic Energy. Counter Energy. Piloswine. Milk Tank. Skidoo. Weedle. I like that Alolan Geodude. Aeron. Ghastly. Reverse Hollow Type Null. I don't think we pulled one of those the entire time. We pulled it from that booster box. And then a Miss Magus. A rare non-hollow. Alright, let's do a quick recap here. We have the Rapid Strike Urshifu V, basically kicks instead of punches. Then we have the Rapid Strike Energy promo card reverse hollow. Then we have Sandaconda reverse hollow, was the first one from Battle Styles we pulled. Then a Victini V. That was probably the best pull of this box here. Pretty badass looking as well. And then a Rapid Strike Energy reverse hollow, not the promo one. I don't know what the D and E mean. Shinodic reverse hollow, definitely have one of those. And then a Type Null reverse hollow. Let me know how I did below in the comments. And if you didn't see it, I did pull on the single strike version of this box in the previous video, so go back and check it out. Hopefully you enjoy it, and throw any comments down below, subscribe, and hit the notify to see future videos. Next one up should be the collector's chest, which is like the lunchbox, as I call them, the lunchbox tin. Yeah, because I did manage to get one of those at my local Walmart, which was super nice to find while I was going to pick up some sleeves there. So, see you in the next one, hopefully, and you have a good one.